Hi, I'm Autumn, and this is Watercolor Florals Made Simple. The reason they're made simple is because I teach you how to create beautiful watercolor paintings with hand-carved stamps. Now, I've been a stamp carving artist for 16 years now, and I have explored and discovered countless ways to use stamps. One of the great things about using watercolors with stamps is it's an effortless way to create a pretty painting. You get to explore the colors and how they interact, while the stamp does all the work. All without having to think about brush strokes. I feel it eases the fear of creating a painting. So I guess this painting technique could lend itself more to a printmaking method. Either way, it's super simple and a lot of fun. If you follow this process, you will end up with 2 or more different paintings. One will be a vibrant bold, and the other will be soft pastel hues. The project for this class will be to stamp out a full sheet of paper, any size, any stamp, and use the technique that I show you in this class, and then click a picture of it, upload it to the project section of this classroom. Listen, I promise you, if you try this technique, you will easily fill a page full of flowers or any motif that you like, and it will be effortless and it will happen in no time. And you'll have a finished painting or print. Oh, by the way, if you don't know how to carve stamps, I teach a class, Hand Carved Stamps Made Simple. So if you want to learn, check it out. Well, it's time to get started to create some beautiful watercolor paintings. So I'll see you in the classroom.